then next you become a leader that people want to follow. And that's the next level. So yes, you might be a person that people want to join, but then then you reveal yourself. Are you headed in a direction that they want to head in? Are you a man or a woman of your word? Are you present? Are you accessible? Are you available to them? Are you a leader that they can really engage with and you can lock arms and go towards the common destination together? Are you a leader that people want to follow? And the good news is you can make a decision this morning, you guys. You can decide today that I will be a leader that people want to join. I will be a leader that that is worthy of following. I will do what I say. I will lead by example. I will produce. I will help my people win. And then third,